Alright, so this is going to be a tutorial of how you can use Flexi, the AI tutor from the CK12 Foundation, to help with your homework. Now, when you log into Flexi, you can start asking questions. It also has some suggested questions that other students might ask. It'll also personalize based on the kind of questions that you've been asking it. And if your teacher uses CK12 lessons and Flexbook pages, it will give you those here in the My Tasks. But let's say I just want to start asking questions. And I've got a physics question from my homework about thermal energy. So I've got Flexi will give me an AI generated response, but it also searches through our Flexbook content and looks for paragraphs from the Flexbook texts. So these paragraphs are not AI generated. These are just from our books, and it gives you some more information about thermal energy in this case, the kinetic energy of particles. It can also give you a chance to ask follow-up questions. So if I want to, Flexi won't remember if I ask the next question, it won't remember what I just asked it. But what I can do is if I open up the follow-up, then I can say, what if it's a really, really big cup of coffee? And Flexi will then generate another response and discuss that a little more. It can start asking questions back to me about thermal energy, or I can go back out. And there's a couple other tools it has built in here. When it answers a question, you can ask it to generate analogies. You can ask it to translate into other languages. You can ask it to rephrase, so it can rewrite it in simpler terms. You can also ask for more details if you want it to go more in depth. It also, after you ask questions, sometimes it will ask you a question. In this case, it will go into the library of CK12 Flexbook lessons and adaptive practice that are attached to those, and it says I'm asking about thermal energy. It will ask me about thermal energy to kind of help check understanding. And we can also do math equations. So let's say I've got this algebra and I want to solve for y. So Flexi will generate a response. It didn't give me any CK12 library cards here, but it did give me the option to ask follow-up if I wanted to say, okay, now solve for x. It could do that. It also gives challenge questions, and in this case, it will actually generate a challenge question that uses the equation that I just asked it to solve for y. It says, okay, now if x equals 2, what is y? And you can type in your answer. It will tell you if you're correct or incorrect. If you get it incorrect, it will show you the steps and tell you why. It can also give you hints. Now, if you've got more complex math equations that are hard, that you can't type just on your keyboard, we do have a math keyboard here that has more of those symbols, calculus, Greek letters, all of that. You can also just upload an image, and so I will bring in the, there we go. So now that's the same equations that I typed in, but this is written out on paper. And so Flexi is able to see that this is a math equation, and it will solve the algebra, giving me a step-by-step. It decided, since I didn't specify what to solve for, it decided to solve for x. I could ask the follow-up if I actually wanted it to solve for y. It's giving me challenge questions again. There are also some ways that you can get it to bring up more general topics if you're trying to just kind of review or learn a topic in general rather than asking specific questions that you have. So you can use sort of the phrase, I want to learn, will get Flexi to bring up a lesson. So let's say I want to learn plate tectonics. So this gives me a couple of different lessons about plate tectonics to work from. And let's say I just want to learn about the theory of plate tectonics. If I say, yes, I know some things about it already, it gives some review materials, summaries, images, vocab that you can just kind of review from. Or if I say, no, this is new, it will then open up this learning page where it gives you the parts of the plate tectonics lesson, and it will walk you through the lesson step by step and ask you questions about it as you go. Now I'll continue that later. I want to show you one other way that you can kind of get it to search the CK12 library is if you say, I want to practice. This will actually have it then search, instead of the lessons, it will search the practices. And so then it gives the, it came up with 3 practices on right triangles, sets of practice questions that I could do while I am studying. Say, I know I have a test coming up and I want just more practice. Flexi can actually help search through all of CK12's content and find that for you. Now let's say I am on a lesson page. Flexi is here on the sidebar. It gives some suggested questions, which are things that other students might have asked, and it also has this feature where I can actually highlight part of the text and hit discuss with Flexi, so I can ask it for more context. So let's say here it talks about how sharks have 2 chambered hearts, and I want to know, how is this different from a human heart? And Flexi will go ahead and generate a response there. So you can also then maybe you just have a whole paragraph that's confusing, and you can just ask it to rephrase in simpler terms. And Flexi will go ahead and do that for you. So here it's talking about, so it just kind of re-explains that. And so these are just some of the tools that you can use Flexi to help with your studies, both in assigned CK12 content and just for general questions that you might have. So we really hope that this helps you out. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with your studies.